Hey everyone, Spencer Coffman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your baseboards or casing, window trim, anything like that look seamless. So here we have some white baseboard and you can see there are gaps. There are some gaps in the corner and then there are also some gaps along the wall. And so what you can do to fix this is get some white DAP caulk right here like this, window, door, trim. Make sure it's silicone, make sure it is paintable, because then if you need to, you can touch up along your walls. And then the process is really very simple and it looks amazing. Cut a small hole in the tip and then run a thin bead right in the corner. Just like that. You can see there, small bead. Take your finger, run it right up like that. You can do this a couple of times to make it nice and filled. Okay. And then also along the wall. So then, take your finger, smooth that right out. If you have any excess, get it off of there. You can get it off the wall. And then you see here we still have a little gap. Fill that in. In the corners, it really helps. You can use a grout sponge for tiling to get into those hard to reach places. You can also use this on your finger to get the reverse miter cuts. Smooth that over so it looks kind of like this. You can see there, that's the section we did. That's not done. Big difference. Here, this is done. Here, not done. So you can tell a big difference in how it looks. Look how beautiful that is. Can't even tell. It's pretty much 100% seamless all the way around when you do that. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you with your project, hit that like button. Also, consider subscribing to the channel for more how-to videos like this.